Hi everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. My name is Alice. In this video, I'm gonna share a journaling process that I did with Daphne's diary magazine pages and cutouts that you've seen me using in the last two journaling videos. I am keeping working with them. If you wanna see me cutting and tearing off them from the magazine, click the card at the top, or I'll put a link to it in the description box so you can get an idea what I exactly took from Daphne's diary and how they looked in the magazine originally. So I think today's journaling can give you some ideas when you want to work with big size images from magazines or you found a line that you want to work in your journal. This photo had a beautiful window and a gorgeous curtain. I had to include it in my journal. So I trimmed it to the size of this card and I drew a frame with a white gel pen. It was cut from the video because my head was in the way all the time. I'm sorry about that, but it was just simple double rectangle. And then I pulled out my white ink. I'm kind of in love with white ink recently. I just muted the text on the window a little bit because I was gonna write on it, but eventually I didn't because I added this little blank space to journal at the right bottom. So I added a banner at the top. It was from Emerson collection by Heidi Swapp. So I pulled out washi tapes from the same collection and added at the bottom. Then I made a little cluster there by adding a label and a floral sketch from the same collection. The reason I chose the square piece for this page is actually it had gold foil around it like a frame. I thought it complements the yellow color on the curtain. I'm stapling the banner twice. It was not the best result, but it already happened. I just decided to accept it. It's okay to be not perfect. So I moved on to the next page, which I worked with another full-size photo that was from the same article. They are photos of a guest house in Burgundy in France. I'll put links below that I found about this beautifully decorated guest house of 18th century building. So I ripped both sides of the photo with the help of a ruler so you can blend into the page better. And I pulled out an envelope that is from my flea market printable as well as a tag and a label from the same printable kit. Flea market printable has a vintage yellow and green color, so they are perfect with the photo and the right page, which is a pattern paper from, again, Emerson collection by Heidi Swapp. So this vintage alphabet card is from Emerson collection as well. I'm threading the tag with this light olive green cotton thread that matches the tag and the overall color tone of this page. Now I'm adding double-sided tapes near the hinge before gluing the photo. And I added a label from Emerson collection to stamp the date later. So this page was done here, but I wanted to do one more thing. There was an article about traveling Iceland in this issue of Daphne's diary, and there was a map, an illustrated map, in turquoise color. I couldn't help myself. I love maps, I love watercolor, I love turquoise. So I found this card in one of the pockets in the journal. It had a red geometric pattern on a white background. So I placed the map on it and sprinkled the little pieces that I cut out from the same article around it. They are whales, sharks, waves, and boats. This map card turned very lovely, and I used the glue pen to stick the little fussy cut pieces. So now I'm stamping the date and starting journaling. So this is how today's journaling turned out. They are a little bit all over the place because my journal is almost finished, but I was happy to journal with beautiful photos using the warm spring colors from my Flea Market Printable and Emerson collection. If you're interested, there will be a link in the description box to my Etsy shop. You can check more details on Flea Market Printable and purchase it. So I hope you enjoyed this journaling process. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, remember to subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.